among the suppressed communities, especially Dalit and OBCs. Part of this program operation, they are organized the foot march. Sri Rama Sena organized foot march, Patha Sanchalan in Hatti Gold Mines. That is Hatti Gold Mines is the in India that is the largest producer of the gold. The only one public enterprises in the India. So Hatti Gold Mines have the more than 4,000 permanent employees. They produce every day 10 kilo gold. This is a situation. The Hatti Gold Mines workers are coming from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. They are belong to Christian, they are belong to Muslim, they are belong to OBC, Dalits. This is the situation in Hatti Gold Mines. In November 16th, Sri Rama Sena was conducted the Patha Sanchalana foot march with the thousands of their volunteers. This compared to the RSS volunteers Patha Sanchalan, this Patha Sanchalan or foot march is very different. So this foot march is really insult the Dalit and oppressed communities and the constitution of the India. How? So they wear the blue knicker instead of pant in RSS Patha Sanchalan, and Ganaveshadari have the actually pant and shirt, but here actually they wear the blue knicker, which is the flag and identification of Dalits and Ambedkar. This is the first question. Same in another thing, they display the Ambedkar photo with the Savarkar photo on their banner, on their daises. They are saying there is no difference between Savarkar and Ambedkar. These two titanic personalities are real contributors of building the Hindu religion. This is their interpretation. Through this way, wearing the blue knicker, so displaying the Dr. Ambedkar photo with the Savarkar, so they really insult the suppressed communities, democratic rights and constitution of India. So same time, there was a public meeting addressed by the Pramod Mutalik, the national president of Sri Rama Sena. He was addressed. He was gave a call to build the Hindu Rashtra. How to build the Hindu Rashtra? According to them, according to their speech, they want smash Muslims. They want smash communists. They want smash, destroy the Christian and Baujan concept, rationalist. According to them, according to their call, these are the four enemies of the Hindu Rashtra. From the diocese, the Pramod Mutalik gave the call to destroy, attack the Muslims, communists, Christians and OBCs. In this context, so we issue the Trade Union Center of Issue, on behalf of Trade Union Center of Issue, I issue the press statement to condemn and fully oppose the Sri Rama Sena Patha foot march and their public meeting. So we are saying these Sri Rama Sena is anti-national, anti-people, unconstitutional and anti-communes, working class, anti-farmers. So that is why we demand the government of Karnataka to lodge the complaint voluntarily against Pramod Mutalik and who organized the event in the Hatti Gold Mines. So we seriously criticize, we fully oppose the Sri Rama Sena outfit, their march and their address and their Hindu Rashtra. We are saying no Hindu Rashtra. This is India. India is belong to farmers. India is belong to workers. This India is belong to Dalits, oppressed communities, women, Adivasis. No Hindu Rashtra, only India. We are the builders of the nation. In this way, we release the press statement in Karnataka, though in printed media well covered. For reacting our statement, actually, the Sri Rama Sena have the press meeting and declare, they say, so they want attack my house.
Oh.
They ask actually, they demand the apology from Tuesday, from me. So within 1 week actually, we are not going to the apology to the Sri Rama Sena. They are going to mobilize the Hindu people in front of my residency and Sevayatra and effigy burning. This is a call from the Sri Rama Sena. In this context, what I want to say, actually, that is not possible. We accept their challenge. We are ready to face them because these Sri Rama Sena outfit of RSS, they are the traitors. They are the Deshadrohis, anti-people. So we are ready to face them. So before that, actually, we demand the government of Karnataka to take appropriate legal action against the Sri Rama Sena and organizers, persons who organize the events in Atti Gold Mines, and they should withdraw their statement, which was against the TUSA, against me, against the Constitution. This is our appeal. So we are going to, in this context, actually, we will answer them. We will actually rebut them. We are going to organize the major public meeting in Atti Gold Mines on December 6th under the leadership of TUSA and Communist Party of India, Marxist-Leninist Red Star, Kisan Organization, Youth Organization, Minority Organization, Dalit Organization. We are together. Now the lot of reaction, lot of condemn from the progressive section against the Sri Rama Sena. The December 6th, that is the Ambedkar Parinibban Din. In that day, actually, we are going to major public meeting, major public event to expose the Sri Rama Sena and RSS and their Hindu Rashtra. We are asking them the status of the Dalits in Hindu Rashtra, the position of the OBC, women's, Adivasi in Hindu Rashtra. Hindu Rashtra is the most reactionary concept. This is totally against our united India. India and Hindu Rashtra is very different. And no, Savarkar is a traitor. Savarkar is a communal. Savarkar is a Brahminical, ideologic titan. No, Ambedkar display with the Savarkar. In this way, we are going to fight with them.